What is Mobrium Academy? Great question. Let's take a quick look. It's the first ever professional certification program for employer reputation management. Wait, what is employer reputation management? It's optimizing your presence on employer review sites like Glassdoor, Indeed, InHerSite, Comparably, and more. Ah, that's important. What else should I know? Let's answer 5 questions. Why take the course? What will I learn? How is it structured? What's the cost? How do I enroll? Why take the course? Help your company. Learning how to authentically strengthen employer ratings and reviews will improve hiring, decrease turnover, strengthen company culture, and improve profitability. It'll also boost your career. Earning this professional certificate can increase your knowledge, magnify your impact, and showcase your expertise. So what will I learn? Follow our proven methodology. Learn to legally collect more employer reviews to strengthen ratings, strategically reply to employer reviews to increase application and purchase intent, reliably harvest insights from employer reviews to inform company culture initiatives, seamlessly leverage employee reviews and employer branding. And our course is based on a decade of research and the award-winning book, The Review Cycle. How is it structured? Learn at your own pace. There are 4 modules, instructional videos, learning questions, and you will also receive digital access to the review cycle. What's the cost? It's a 10-hour time commitment and just $199. Your investment comes with a library of 10 bonus resources valued over $450 designed to help you easily apply everything you learn in the course for your organization. And finally, how do I enroll? Go to mobrium.com/mobrium-academy. Earn your certificate, help your company, impress your boss. What are you waiting for? Enroll today.